Module Overview. This module explores the transformative role of digital technology in shaping the contemporary and future landscapes of printmaking and textile art. With the rise of Industry 4.0, art practices are undergoing a paradigm shift where traditional boundaries between handmade and machine-made, analog and digital, craft and code are increasingly blurred. The module delves deeply into the intersection of digital fabrication, algorithmic design, computational aesthetics, and smart textiles, examining how technology is expanding creative possibility, accessibility, and sustainability in the domain. You are introduced to CAD, computer-aided design tools, digital looms, AI-powered pattern generation, 3D printing, augmented reality applications, and textile-integrated sensors, providing a comprehensive view of how artists, designers, technologists, and researchers collaborate in new creative dimensions. Furthermore, the module critiques the ethical, environmental, and cultural implications of digitalization, addressing data colonialism, tech waste, and the loss of analog intimacy, while offering strategies to maintain artistic authenticity within a tech-forward practice. Through hands-on digital experimentation, conceptual analysis, and prototyping, you will be equipped to produce digitally informed, forward-looking works that are not only visually compelling, but also technologically literate and socially responsible. Digital fabrication and computational design. Introduction to parametric and generative design using tools like Rhino, Grasshopper, and Houdini Fractal, algorithmic and biomimicry-based pattern systems. Vector-based design for textile applications, e.g., Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape. Use of scripting and code, Python processing, p5.js, in pattern creation, responsive surface design, and interactive print systems. Digital printmaking techniques. Overview of inkjet and laser printing on fabric digital screen printing versus traditional methods, sublimation printing and heat transfer technologies, direct-to-garment, DTG, and direct-to-film, DTF, innovations, exploring texture, scale, and color depth through layered digital compositions. Smart textiles and e-textiles. Integration of conductive threads, LEDs, microcontrollers, Arduino, LilyPad, textile sensors for movement, temperature, and touch. Responsive garments that change color or pattern. Art textiles with embedded storytelling or interactive components, wearable tech, and soft circuits. Printing and textile engineering. Applications of 3D printing in textile structures. Flexible filaments, mesh, hybrid forms. 3D printed blocks for relief and intaglio-style printmaking. Bridging hard and soft materials in fabric art hybrids. Custom fabrication for stamps, embossing plates, and modular surfaces. Use of biodegradable PLA and recycled filament for eco-innovation. Digital weaving and jacquard technology. Understanding digital looms, e.g. jacquard TC2, programming weave patterns and textures. Weaving software such as ArrowWeave and WeavePoint Heritage meets high-tech, translating traditional motifs via digital input, exploring glitch aesthetics, and digital pixelation in Weave. Augmented and virtual reality AR/VR in textile art. AR overlays on physical textiles for layered storytelling, immersive textile environments in VR spaces, projection mapping onto fabric surfaces, NFT, and digital art collections for textile-based artists, interactive gallery installations using motion tracking. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in design. Using AI tools, e.g. DALL-E, Midjourney, Runway ML, for pattern generation, ethical use of datasets, AI training models, and copyright considerations, AI co-creativity versus human originality, predictive design systems based on fashion trends and cultural data, use of neural networks for transforming hand-drawn to print-ready work. Sustainability and ethical considerations in digital practice. Energy consumption and carbon footprint of digital tools, e-waste and planned obsolescence of hardware, eco-certified digital inks and low-impact machines, equity and access to technology, bridging the digital divide, protecting analog traditions in the digital age, licensing, open source sharing, and responsible authorship. Key outcomes. By the end of Module 9, you will be able to demonstrate proficiency in using digital tools for design and fabrication, critically evaluate the role of technology in reshaping the visual and tactile language of textile and printmaking art, produce hybrid works that fuse analog and digital processes, create conceptually rich digital art that is interactive, immersive, or responsive, apply sustainable and ethical frameworks to their technological practice, engage in speculative design thinking around the future of the discipline.